Hello everybody, it's your immigration attorney Ruiz, and I'm here with you today to answer one of the questions that we get frequently here in this office. I was born with a midwife and I've applied for an immigration benefit, or I've applied for a US passport and they won't give it to me. They're telling me that I have to prove that I was born in the United States and prove that I am a US citizen. How do I prove that? What amount of evidence do I need? Well, the burden of proof, the legal requirement under the law, is that you prove by a preponderance of the evidence, that you prove that it is more likely than not that you are a citizen of the United States. You have to prove, if we're thinking of a scale, 50.01 is all you need to win a passport case or a midwife case. 50.01, more likely than not that you were born in the United States. That is the legal requirement. Oftentimes, immigration and the Department of State, when they're asking you for more evidence and you submit evidence that rises to that burden, they'll still ask you for more. They want you to remove all doubt. And that's just not the standard under the law. And what we're going to do for you is we're going to hold the government's feet to the fire. This is the legal standard. You have to follow it. We have a case where a client, he was actually registered as if he had been born in Mexico. So the government says, we have a Mexican birth certificate. Prove to us that you were born in the United States. And we submitted more than enough proof that he was more likely than not born in the United States and not in Mexico, even with a Mexican birth certificate, and we won that case because the legal standard is not remove all doubt. It is not beyond a reasonable doubt. No, the standard in the law is preponderance of the evidence, more likely than not, 50.01%. Okay, so if you have a situation like this and the government keeps asking you and asking you and asking you for more evidence, reach out to us. We've handled these cases successfully. We will hold the government's feet to the fire. We will make sure that they follow the burden of proof that is in the law and say, hey, what you're doing here is not right. A U.S. citizen, as long as they can prove that they were born here, is entitled to a United States passport or immigration benefit for U.S. citizens. Issue that benefit, issue that passport, and let's resolve this right away. I'm your immigration attorney, Ruiz, and we're here to help.